you're holding your first drive, a feeling butterflies shake. There's a rhythm in the fairway, there's a calm in the air. Disc golf starts simple, just show up, be aware. Step one, learn your disc, drive a mid and putter's your crew. Each one has a mission and a flight path too. Understand stability, how it curves left to right. Know your tools before you take your very first flight. Step two, grip it right, power grip, a fan in your hand. Control, stun your fingers like the roots in the land. A steady hold, a centered palm, let your wrist stay loose. The perfect throw begins wherever your fingers choose. Feel the wind, feel the ground, let the silence guide the line. Say thank you for the moment that lets practice redefine. When your focus meets the heavens and the fairway meets your view, disc golf isn't just a sport, it brings the best out of you. Learn your disc, know the path they wanna fly. Find your grip, keep it steady, keep it dry. Build your stance, plant your feet, feel the flow. Step rhythm, let your whole body throw. Watch the wind, trust the angles that you reach. Master foot and find your set and find your speed. Play the course, walk the journey, let it lead. 7 steps to the game, disc golf in your heartbeat. Speed. Disc golf in your heartbeat. Speed. Expert in your corner when you rise and when you fall. Teaching everyday athletes how to master every hole. Step 3, stance and posture square, stagger your frame. A strong foundation turns beginners into players of the game. Bend your knees, keep balance, let your shoulders align. Every throw becomes a story shaped by how your feet define. Step 4, yeah, step, cross behind, push forward, unwind. It's the dance of disc golfers, movement molded by mind. Your hips lead the motion, let momentum be your friend. Throw like you mean it from the start to the end. Step 5, when an angle's highs are any is straight. A disc is like a friend that reacts to how you wait. Breathe the breeze in the branches, feel the pull in the sky. The world outside will teach you how to let your disc fly. Every tree is not an enemy, just part of the design. Every challenge is a lesson showing you the perfect line. Say, got me with attention, help my timing come alive. Disc golf is about patience, about learning how to strive. Learn your disc, know their stories, know their glide. Find your grip, feel the power in your stride. Build your stance, set your balance, plant your feet. Step rhythm, let the ground become your beat. Watch the wind, read the whispers as they plead. Master putting confidence is all you need. Play the course, every hole a different seed. 7 steps, 1 soul, disc golf, teaching you to lead. HowExpert in the fairway, in the breeze, in the call. Showing every beginner how to rise and never stall. Hear the chain singing back when your putter hits clean. That's the anthem of progress, the sound of a dream. You're not just learning throws, you're learning patience and aim. You're learning balance, letting go, becoming stronger through the game. How expert in the moment when your disc hits home, turning strangers into friends on every course you roam. Disc golf is freedom, discipline, presence, art, a game that shakes your hands while it reshapes your heart. Growing seeds, 7 steps, your path, disc golf in your life's creed. Disc golf in your life's creed. How expert at the start, in the middle, at the end. Helping every new learner turn the course into a friend. Let the disc fly.